Once again, we urge you to stop this aggression and support the rights to self-determination of these peoples. That's the only way to end this continued madness by the regime. Thank you.
What do you love?
Free Aceh!
What do you love?
Free Aceh!
What do you love?
Free Aceh!
What do you love?
Free Papua!
What do you love?
Free Papua!
What do you love?
Free Papua!
What do you love?
Free Maluku!
What do you love?
Free Maluku!
What do you love?
Free Maluku!
Speech before the United Nations office at Geneva, Switzerland by Aceh Sumatra National Liberation Front, ASNOF, 9 November 2022. To the people of the world, we the people of Aceh, West Papua and the South Moluccas gather here today before the magnificent building, the UN Human Rights Council, the City of Peace, Geneva, Switzerland. We gather here today to pay our solidarity and tributes to 10,000 and possibly 100,000 of our people who have died in the hands of Indonesian military as the victims of gross violations of human rights. We are here to call the international community, especially the UN, to immediately stop these ongoing violations of human rights which have been perpetrated by Indonesia for over 60 years with impunity. We are here today to bring to your attention that Indonesia is the only colonial country on this planet condoned by the international community and the UN to rule over an area of continental size Europe by killing hundreds of thousands of indigenous people of Aceh, West Papua and South Moluccas. If the human rights perpetrators in other countries ended up in The Hague as a war criminals, the Indonesian perpetrators have become potential candidates in next year's presidential elections. Once here, we urge you to stop these aggressions and support the right to self-determination of these people. That's the only way to end this continued madness by the regime. Thank you.
What do you love?
Free Aceh!
What do you love?
Free Aceh!
What do you love?
Free Aceh!
What do you love?
Free Papua!
What do you love?
Free Papua!
What do you love?
Free Papua!
What do you love?
Free Maluku!
What do you love?
Free Maluku!
What do you love?
Free Maluku!
Can I make a picture of you? Yeah?